We're out at our Doudlah Farm today, and we're planting El Dorado pinto beans with the Kinsey 3600. And the pinto beans we're putting in 15-inch rows with tram lines at 120 inches. Those tram lines are two 30-inch rows that accommodate for the tractor. The tanks, inboard saddle tanks on the tractor hold 850 gallons of liquid. Those we typically use for Chilean nitrate. You could put Chilean nitrate 2x2 with these pinto beans or black beans, but we always use Chilean nitrate when we plant corn in a 2x2 fashion on the Kinsey planter. The liquid tanks here, 400 gallons on the planter, are mixed with SP1, fish, Dram E, and then also some of our biorepellents. Microtrol is one of the products. BioRepel is another product, and Ecotech, to keep some of those insects away from that fragile germinating seed, wireworms and things like that. Those products, through these 400-gallon tanks, go through the Keaton seed firmer and go right onto the seed in the furrow. To mix all these products, we have a liquid tender that we put behind the semi. The front tank contains SP1, 11,000-gallon tank there. The middle tank is fish, 2,600 gallons there of Dram E. And the rear tank in this case is water that we use as a filler with the fish and the SP1. I think we're putting 2 gallons of fish, 2 gallons of SP1. And then in the back, we have 2 cone inductors and a set of 2 pumps, a 5 and an 11 horsepower pump, a 2-inch and 3-inch pump to fill the planter and the tractor. And there's cone inductors there that allow us to add the BioRepel, Microtrol, and those things, and other micronutrients and things like that with that. We also substitute that rear white tank does Chilean nitrate when we're doing corn, which fills the front tanks on the tractor. We also are using RTK guidance. We're using the Paradigm system on top of the cab with the ag leader. And you can see most of the time that gives us some pretty nice straight rows. And in this application, it's pretty important because we're on a fairly flat field. We will come back through and cultivate using that RTK. So we'll be right between the rows, right where we want to be cultivating this 15-inch pinto beans. We've had our share of rain in the last couple days. We had 1.4 inches. So now we're going to concentrate on rotary hoeing and a few other things to see if we can get these beans out of the ground.